Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be telling us my experience, or I will be sharing with us my experience on Poppo life when I was about to create a content or teach us how we can do exchange. Little did I know that Poppo Life has a strong privacy policy until I finished the video. So when I was about to create that content regarding how to do exchange, I did not want to use my panel. I decided to use another panel so that I can tap on somebody and do the illustration. I entered the panel. I finished from beginning to the end, only for me to open it to edit for publishing. I saw that so many of the striking major places were all blank, like as in blank. But I was still hearing some people talking on the background, but it was not recording anything at all. I was so disappointed. I was so disappointed. Like, when do I start again to start rephrasing my English, to start doing other posting another adjustment? Oh my goodness, it was not funny. But I just want to bring to your notice that Poppo Life has a very strong policy that you have to be careful when you're using their app for any illustration, especially those of us doing live streaming apps, and you have to use their app to do some illustration for your downliners or viewers to understand what you are saying. But as it is now, it is not funny. So I have to start afresh. Because I'm talking to you, I have to start afresh to do that gifting or how to do exchange on Poppo Life, which is not funny. So as I'm talking to you, it's just for you to learn from what happened to me, so that at least next time you'll not be able to go to the app and start doing or using the app as you like. So if you find this video interesting, just tap on the notification bell and tap on the like button so that you'll be seeing more of my uploads, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.